In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently navigate QuickBooks to manage your bank transactions. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the essential features, ensuring that you can seamlessly handle your financial records with confidence. To kick things off, open your web browser and head over to QuickBooks. Once you're logged into your QuickBooks account, you'll find yourself on the home page. This is your central hub where you can access all the key areas of QuickBooks. From here, locate the section labeled Bank Transactions on the sidebar. Clicking on it directs you to a detailed view of your banking activity. It's your go-to place for tracking all financial transactions linked to your accounts. Next, direct your attention to the date range options available. Select the All Dates option. Doing this allows you to view your entire bank transaction history. It's an invaluable feature for comprehensive record keeping and reviewing past transactions, giving you a bird's-eye view of all activities whenever needed. Now, let's take a look at the transactions themselves. Select All Transactions to access every financial activity recorded in QuickBooks. This step ensures you have a complete picture, eliminating any overlooked or missed data. Staying informed about your transactions is crucial for maintaining balanced books and spotting discrepancies early on. Moving on, let's refine our search. Click on the Search option, a handy tool for zeroing in on specific transactions. Whether you're on the lookout for a particular vendor payment or checking customer receipts, the search function simplifies your work by minimizing time spent scrolling through lists. Remember to enter relevant details in the search field for faster results. After pinpointing a transaction, you might want to delve deeper into your bank register. To do this, locate the Go to Bank Register link within QuickBooks. Clicking here brings you to a detailed record of all transactions connected to a specific bank account. The bank register is essential for double-checking transactions and ensuring they align with your account statements. Finally, it's important to keep your settings up to date for a streamlined experience. Head over to Settings and click on it. Here, you'll be able to customize features to suit your business needs, such as notifications, report settings, and account preferences. This ongoing customization enables you to operate effectively within QuickBooks, making the software work best for your particular workflow. So, there you have it. A comprehensive journey through some of QuickBooks' most vital features for bank transaction management. I hope this guide helps you feel more confident in mastering your financial reports. Don't hesitate to explore further, as practice will make you more adept. Happy bookkeeping, and see you in the next tutorial.